For the guys who want finesse without the bulk, Crossbody Utility Chest Bag. Meet the ultimate sidekick for everyday carry, the men's multifunctional crossbody chest bag. This bag packs a punch in a compact design. With multiple compartments, waterproof material, and a sleek tactical look, it is built for city commuters, travelers, and active guys on the move. This is sitting squarely in the men's streetwear and utility gear niche. And guys love gear that is as functional as it is stylish. It fits iPads, chargers, keys, all without being bulky. This one sells for $39.99 with a cost of $9.00 and shipping around $4.00, giving you a profit of nearly $27.00 per bag. It's utility, it is style, it is your new bestseller in the bag. For the girls who want cozy with character, bat sleeve waffle knit cardigan. Say hello to your customer's new go-to layer. This cardigan is oversized, bat-sleeved, and seriously soft. It oozes effortless style while still saying I just rolled out of bed, but make it fashion. Perfect for college girls, weekend brunches, or content creators needing that candid cozy vibe. It falls into the casual loungewear and full fashion niche, a space that booms during autumn and transitional months. Retailing at $34.99, costing just $8.50, and shipping for $3.80, you are banking a healthy $22.69 profit per piece. It is slouchy, it is stylish, and yes, it's going in their cart. The guys who need style on the run, Colorblock dad sneakers. These lace-up sneakers aren't just shoes, they're statements. Built with breathable mesh and bold color blocks, they bring that retro athletic look Gen Z guys are obsessed with. Whether for running errands or running laps, these fit right into the streetwear and athleisure footwear niche, one of the hottest segments in male fashion right now. At a selling price of $44.99, cost of $13.00, and shipping at $5.00, you're getting over $26.00 profit per pair. Comfort meets clout, and sneakerheads are ready to click buy now. For the ladies who want luxury and lounging, 3P's Pajama Lounge Set. Soft, stylish, scroll stopping. This set includes a crop top, a tank, and drawstring shorts, making it perfect for self-care Sundays or matching sleepover content. Think loungewear meets lifestyle. It lives in the aesthetic sleepwear and influencer homeware niche where TikTok and IG Reels fuel non-stop demand. You're selling this for $29.99, sourcing it at $7.50, with $4.00 shipping, leaving you with $18.49 profit per set. It's not just sleepwear, it's social media ready loungewear. For the pet parents who've had enough, washable hair and lint remover is reusable, washable, and weirdly satisfying. This sticky roller grabs pet hair, lint, and dust, then rinses clean in seconds. No tape, no batteries, no excuses. This sits comfortably in the pet owner essentials and sustainable cleaning niche. It's a problem solver with viral potential, especially with ASMR and cleaning influencer content. Sells for $19.99, cost is only $2.50, and shipping sits at $2.80, giving you a sharp $14.69 profit. It's a lint roller, but upgraded, and people can't stop buying them. For the dye wasper who love a good unclog, flexible drain cleaner tool, let's get satisfying. This 60-seam spring tool snakes into clog drains and pulls out hair, gunk, and grime without needing a plumber. It hits the sweet spot of the dye wasper cleaning and TikTok fixes niche. These tools go viral for their gross out yet oddly fascinating results. Think before-after videos, kitchen sink cleanups, and oddly satisfying content. Sell it at $14.99, cost just $1.00 with $2.00 shipping, and you're looking at $11.99 profit per tool. It's gross, it's useful, and yes, it absolutely sells. For the jet setters who pack smart, waterproof folding travel duffel. Travel isn't slowing down, and this bag is every minimalist traveler's dream. Lightweight, folds flat, water resistant, and fits everything from gym clothes to airport fits. taps into the women's travel essentials and smart packing niche, where space-saving gear is always trending, selling for $34.99 sourced at $7.80 with $3.90 shipping, giving you $23.29 profit per bag. It folds, it holds, and yes, it looks good doing both. For the beauty babes who want plump without a poke, spicy glass liquid lipstick. A little tingle, a lot of shine. This viral lip gloss gives a natural plumping effect with a high gloss finish and rich pigment payoff. Influencers love the spicy touch and glossy drip for beauty content and GRWM videos. Perfect for the viral beauty and lip plumper niche, which has exploded thanks to clean beauty and TikTok's obsession with lips. Sells for $24.99. Cost is just $2.70. Shipping at $3.30. That's $18.99 profit per gloss. It's glossy, spicy, and totally viral ready.